Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, everybody? I hope everybody well. I am Mamun from Bangladesh. I am working Elite Engineering Company and personal assistant to International Engineer Mr. Mahmoud. Our company jobs is to create of all kinds of design. We have all kinds of designs. Which designs do you like? Arabic design, American design, European design. Also, any design you want. If you want a building house, restaurant, tourist point, hospital, supermarket, etc., that contact us our company.